Well, good morning. Simon Handley from Skylark Aerial Photography. We're up on the top of Orist Head here, above Windermere, and the views are just fantastic at the moment. I'm going to talk a little bit of how to deal with flyaways and how I deal with the flyaways. And we're using a Mavic Pro, iPad, and of course the Mavic controller. So let's get started and we'll get the drone up in the air. Check all's clear. Right, so today is not really about the filming, it's about how to deal with a flyaway, which does happen. It's happened to me about 6 times, not with the Inspire, but with the, not with the Mavic, but with the Inspire, which we fly. What you're taught is, obviously, to keep your eyes on the drone at all times. However, if we have a situation where the Mavic did go into a flyaway and loss of GPS, they just act like kites, they just blow away. And by the time you've tried to control the drone and bring it back looking at it, it'll be a mile down, down to the north there. So what you should do is take a reference point of where you've taken off, immediately look at your screen, and instead of looking at the drone, look at the screen and drive the drone back. And the reference point is us. And I'm looking at all the time at the screen, bringing it in, occasionally look at the drone, driving it in, and this way, it's your best way of controlling the drone. As soon as you're nearby, immediately land the drone. Job done.